Greetings everyone. Thank you guys for coming back to my video. So the video that I put up where I used the one-step looper to make these beautiful bracelets. So like I said, I'm learning how to use the looper. Now on some of the videos I saw where people did lose some wire. So if I cut the wire too long, and when I cut it off, there was a lot of wire left. What I did was went back in with my looper and I made these little 2-inch eye pins. So let me show you if I could find one, because we don't want to lose any wire around here. So what I did, like this piece right here, you could actually make a eye pin. So this is leftover wire from the looper. So I just go in. I guess I'm doing this right now. And there we go. Gently. And when it's like that, you just do this and just kind of perfect. 2-inch eye pin. These are 20mm wire. So I can make charms out of those. Because I try to save all of my wire. So I'm going to push it up a little bit. That's a little small, but I might can get a charm out of there. So we're going to go back in. We're going to do this one. And there. Squeeze. Gently open it. But before, kind of bend it back a little bit. There you go. Let's see if I got another long piece in here. So guys, if you're just coming in, what we are doing is from the leftover wire from my beaded bracelets, I am making eye pins. And eye pins, and I'll probably make some charms with those eye pins. So we're just squeezing. We're going to bend it back a little bit. There we go. This is fast too. I like this. Squeeze. Bend it back a little bit. Squeeze it open. This is good. I'm so glad that I decided to check out this wire. Instead of going out buying all these little pieces, you could do them yourself. Squeeze. Bend back. I don't know if that'll make a... I guess I might have cut too much wire. Next time when I do my bracelets, I might cut maybe like 1 inch of wire. But not 1.5 inches, but we'll see. Squeeze, bend back, and open up. So I think that's about it. But still, that's using the one-step looper. But you know what else? Let's see. I can also take these pieces right here that won't fit in my looper. Like this. Okay, this is another eye pin that I made. Let's see, where are my round nose pliers? And let me show you something else. These are round nose pliers. So that's another one I made. This perfect. Let's see here. No, I don't think I can make. I was going to try to use this here to make like, try to make some charms. That might be a little bit too short for charms. I'm not sure. I had a little small bead. I don't have a small bead around. But we're going to try it though. because we don't want to waste no wire. So we're just going to do this one time and just fold it back, making eye pins from leftover wire. That, I'm going to fold it back. This, you might could get one seed bead. You might could do a seed bead charm with this. Wish I had one out. But leftover wire. Fold down and just bend back a little bit. I'm putting on the very end, and then I'm taking it, putting this inside. Just bending it back just a little bit, and then just go back. Perfect. And close it up. These will be like small charms. And putting it back in and just bending it back a little bit. So I really do appreciate my new subscribers, you know, for coming along on this journey with me. And please like and share if you don't mind, while I help grow my channel. Beautiful. Because each day that I come on, I see other designers, and I'm like, okay, trying to be cost effective, and that's what I want to do also, to be cost effective and not spend too much money on buying tubes and buying all these, little different modals or whatever just to keep a video going. I don't want to do that, and not being able to get anything back. So it's cute. But we're 7 minutes. It's be moving fast, guys. Thank you for joining me on Sunburn Creations, and I will catch you in the next. Being cost effective. Being cost effective. That's what I'm going to call this video. So that little bit of wire, that's nothing I can't do anything with that wire. So we're going to leave it like that. But thank you guys for coming back to Sunburn Creations.